Hi again, guys. It's Patty at Patty Ponders here again. So far, I just wanted to do an update on the onion cough syrup, the stage that I was showing you earlier. See where it's already leaching down? It's amazing. It's just kind of compressing the onions and slowly making this really nice viscous solution. So it looks like when you put it in a large jar, it's going to compress down and make about half a jar. I would probably wait until it completely dissolves because it is crystallized to add more honey to it. I also make a tincture. And I use honey for it as well, just a little bit for flavor. I take orange peels. After you peel oranges this holiday, you do a lot of fruits, it seems, but notice that nice color of yellow in here. After about 6 weeks, you take these peels, the best part, and you put them in a bottle or a jar, and you fill it with straight vodka. And what this is a medicinal tincture that you put, I just transferred after I strained it into a bottle like this. And what this is the tincture mixed with, it's a cup of honey. No, it's a half a cup of honey to a pint, because I did it in one of these. This is my purple jars, of course, but I wanted you to see it. That's my personal stash. This is what I make for gift giving or for people that aren't feeling well. This is good for tummy issues like gas and bloating. It's also really good for like an anti-inflammatory. If you can avoid taking, NSAIDs and things like this, or if you're dealing with blood pressure issues and you can't take certain medications, ibuprofens and things, because you're dealing with inflammation, all you need is 3 to 6 drops of this twice a day. It's pretty good. It's got a lot of medicinal properties in that peel, everything that belongs in your body that we don't get because we don't eat that part of the lemon or the orange. And this is all oranges. I did one with my fire cider, has the lemons and the oranges in it. But this is good stuff. So I'm getting ready to strain this. I'm going to finish filling this up again because I have more bottles and I'm going to make some more bottles. I am looking forward to it. This one will have less honey because it's going to be more for my personal use, but it's still good for us. These are simple. I don't want you to feel like you have to do a lot of prep. When you are, let's say you had a bunch of oranges, you peeled oranges for your kids one day, you can always do what I do, and I just kind of stick them ahead of time in a jar in the refrigerator like this. There's nothing in here yet, right? So when I'm at the store next time, I'll buy a bottle of vodka since I've run out. It's all been used in making this, and I will pour it in this, and I'll put it in a dark, cool place. Once anything with the vodka or the whiskeys in it, even honey, once it's completely saturated in a cool, dark place, you really don't have to refrigerate it. If you want to, you can with the garlic and the onions and the honey. I don't know, it's a fermentation thing. Honey's a preservative as well. It keeps on its own. If you're more comfortable, it's fine. It's just that honey gets kind of thicker that way. It's okay though. But that's what I do. I just don't waste. I'm trying to live a sustainable life where we're not throwing things out as easily. So I will get every bit of use I can out of it. It'll look terrible like this because it's all swollen and absorbed. And then I will strain these into jars, and then I'll throw away the peels. If I had a garbage disposal, I'd put them in that to freshen it up. But I might take it to work and just do it at the kitchen at work just to freshen it up. But don't waste. There's lots of things you can do that makes life better for all of us. I do have a coffee liqueur recipe. I will show y'all that one. I will show you step by step because I think it's important to see it in stages to understand it. I hope you all have a wonderful new year. I love you. I think that this year, 2023, is an opportunity for all of us to be better and to do better and to create better. Love y'all. Bye.